Hello friends, during this session I will show you a demo of my final year project, that is Public Grievance Redress and Monitoring System. First I will explain all the features of my project. My project is Public Grievance Redress and Monitoring System. In my project, what is the main purpose? The main purpose of my project is to save time and money of citizen and government department. PGRAMS is a one type of complaint management system. PGRAMS act as a bridge between grievance raiser and grievance solver. Citizen can now, what is the flow of my project? I will explain you it. First, which technology I have used? I have used Microsoft Visual Studio 2012 and development language. This project is developed in ASP.NET with C#. Clear? Now I will show you a flow of my project. First, citizen will register his complaint. Complaint is received by appropriate department automatically. Then it is then the HOD. The complaint is received by HOD. HOD forward the complaint to its appropriate zonal officer, and then zonal officer will try to solve the complaint, and at last complaint is solved. For an example, if you have an issue related to bus transport, then you are complaining against a bus transport department. A complaint is automatically goes to bus department's HOD. Then HOD will read the complaint and decide at which region it complaint occurs. For an example, in Ahmedabad there is an area named Maninagar. In Maninagar, there is a bus transport problem, and Maninagar is in North Zone. Then HOD will forward that complaint to the North Zone zonal officer. Then zonal officer will communicate with the citizen and try to solve this issue. At last, a complaint is solved. This is the system which I have created in ASP.NET. Clear? Now I will explain you. I will show you a demo of my full project. Clear? This is the home page of my project. In home page, I have created 4 pages named Home, About Us, Frequently Asked Questions, and Contact Us. In Contact Us, for an example, if I am visitor and I want some query, for an example, I will write here. Sure. My email address is dhruvinsha16@gmail.com and phone number is like this 000000000. Minimum 10 characters. I have created this type of validations. Clear? And query. Which type of query I have used? Please inform me about something. Whichever query I have in my mind, I will write here. Clear? And when I click on the submit button, the query is submitted and the admin will reply when he will show a query. Clear? Now I will show you an admin department. No, first of all I will show you a citizen department module. I will log in here first. First I will connect my laptop with internet connectivity because it is online system. Clear? This is my citizen module. In this module you can view profile. You can edit and update your profile. You can register a grievance. In register grievance there is a 3-step form. The first step is personal information, second one is complaint detail, and third one is OTP. Now the question is why an OTP is used. For an example, there are some children who are using a laptop or etc. They are registering a complaint and their complaint is registered successfully. in the database. But sometimes what will happen, some fake complaints are registered in a database. To avoid that, I have used an OTP. OTP is sent to user's phone number and user's email address. If he enters a correct OTP, then his complaint is registered with the authority. Otherwise, it will not register. Then check status means a 13-digit complaint number which we will enter here, and by using it, we can track his grievance. Reopen complaint. If your complaint is solved and you want to reopen it, you just click on reopen button to reopen your complaint. Give a feedback. If you want to give some suggestion to an authority, you are using this feature named give suggestions. Change password. If you want to change a password of your system, you will use it. Log out means successfully log out. Clear? Now I will show you a demo of register grievance. First I will open my email address so that I can show you an OTP and okay. First I will register a complaint. Drovin Shah. I will complain against a drainage department. Multiple departments are here. You can click on any department. I will complain against drainage department. My address is, I will write here Naranpura, Ahmedabad, and my pin code is address 0063. Then I will click on the next button. Now there is step 2, complaint details. I will write a complaint title here. Detailed description. I will write here a description. If you want to upload some documents or video or any images, you can just click here. Clear? Now click on the finish button. When you click on the finish button, an OTP is generated by a system. An OTP is sent to your email address and your SMS. But here I cannot show you an SMS because of some of instrumental issue. So that I will show you it by email. It is taking some time. It depends upon your internet connectivity. Okay, OTP is received at my mail and OTP is 1299. So that I will write here 1299. Then click on the submit button. OTP is correct, so my complaint is registered in a database and I will receive a complaint number in my email and in my SMS. So I will show you a complaint number which is generated. Complaint registration successful. I have received this email. Complaint registration successful and my complaint number is like this. Clear? And here you will also get a type of message. Clear? Okay. You will get this type of message. Your complaint is successfully registered and your complaint number is like this. You can now track a complaint. Check a status. I have registered this complaint and it's in address is like this. If I will click on the track button, it will give me a status like pending because I have registered a complaint yet. Now you can reopen a complaint. For an example, this complaint is solved. Now I have an issue again. I have also used this type of model pop-up extender in my system. I want to reopen this complaint. Then I will just click on the reopen button. Then it will reopen successfully. give a feedback. If I want to give some suggestion to the department, then I will use this facility, title of feedback, and just type some message and just click a submit button. Clear? This is a citizen module. Now I will show you other modules named HOD. Means I have registered a complaint. Then a complaint should be solved by appropriate complaint is automatically goes to appropriate department. I have complained against the drainage department, so that in drainage department HOD will receive a complaint. I will write a password. This is the home page of HOD panel. This is the HOD of garbage department, drainage department. Clear? Now he can forward a grievance. For an example, I have registered this grievance right now. It will show in this type of pop-up. He can also download the documents which are uploaded by a citizen. Like this. I have uploaded this document so that user can HOD can see it. Now he will forward a complaint. If you want to forward in North department, he will select here from North. His work, all the employees working under North department are displayed here. He want to receive, want to forward the complaint to this employee. Then he just click on the forward button, and the complaint is successfully forwarded to that zonal officer. Clear? Now, if you want to see a status of that complaint which are forwarded by him, then he just click on the view status of forward grievance. He has forwarded this grievance. Now he forwarded that grievance to zonal officer named Sanjay Shah. He can see all of the details, and his status is forwarded to zonal officer. Means the complaint is not solved by that zonal officer. Now he can manage his profile. He can view a list of employees working under him. There are five employees working under him, and its zone north, south, east, west, central. If you want to view suggestions, then he can click on the view suggestion button. In view suggestion, I have categorized it in four parts: all, unread, read, and useful. All means he can view all the suggestions. Unread means the new fresh suggestions which are received by him. You can view the citizen's profile here. Now if you click on the more button, that means he has read the suggestion. If you want to mark it as a useful, then he click on the yes button, then it is marked as a useful message. It is a useful. Clear? By this way he can sort his suggestions. Then change password means he can change the password from here. Report, if you want to prepare a report. For an example, I want to create a report like, I will select start date and end date. I want to know how many complaints are solved during this period. Then I will click on the solved. Then click on the submit button. All the complaints between this date are solved are displayed here. Then if you want to import in an Excel format, you can import it. You can view from here like this. Then log out. Clear? This is the second module, that is the HOD department. Now HOD forward the complaint to the zonal officer, so that now we will log in a zonal officer. Log in. This is the home page of a zonal officer. The dashboard is displayed. Clear? And his zone is north. Now he can manage his profile. He can change the status of the grievance. For an example, we have HOD forward this grievance to this zonal officer. Now he will read the complaint from here, like what is the issue, which is the address, his phone number, email address, etc. Then he can also download. If you want to change the status, for an example, he change his status in progress, click on the update button. When you click on the update button, automatically email sent to the citizen that your complaint is in progress, like this. We glad to provide you service. Purpose of this mail to inform you that your complaint status. Below are the details. Your complaint status is in progress. When zonal officer is changing the status, an automatically auto-generated email is sent to a user. Clear? Now he can also manage in progress grievances. Now here all the complaints which are in progress are displayed here. Now, if the complaint is solved, or if you want to communicate with the citizen, you can click here, communicate with citizen. Hi, your complaint will be solved in 4 days. You can send an email. Look, I have received a mail. Hi, your complaint will be solved in 4 days. Clear? Now, if now the if a complaint is solved, then he will click on the solved operator status. User will get an confirmation email that his complaint is solved. SMS is also sent to his phone number, successfully updated. I have also received an email. Complaint status is solved. Clear? Now he can change password. He can prepare a report like we have already seen in HOD, and he can log out a system. Clear? Now we will see the fourth model, that is the admin panel. Login. This is the home page of admin panel. Total 18 complaints are registered till today. 5 complaints are solved, 11 are pending, and 1 in progress. Now, which are the functionality of admin panel? He can add employee. I have created a form. When he add an employee ID is generated automatically in the system like this, and 8-digit password is also generated by system automatically. Now admin will send his username to appropriate zonal officer, appropriate employee. When he click on a send username, a username is sent to this email address. Username and password both are sent to this email address. If he first time login, when employee first time login in the system, it will show a message like you have registered first time, please change your password. Then similarly he can add HOD and view HOD. Now he can manage a citizen. If you want to block or unblock the citizen, then he can do by this way. When you click on this link button, a user is blocked or user is unblocked. Then he can respond the query which are given by a citizen. For an example, we have just do a query like this. Now if you want to communicate with the citizen, he will just write a message, and this message is sent to user's email address, that is this email address. Now we will check it whether the response is received in email or not. Replied successfully. We will just check here. Look, the message is received here. Now if we want to manage a department, suppose government added a new department, then new modules can easily be implemented in a system. If you want to add more zones, then you can also do it. If you want to manage a dashboard, for an example, we have seen a dashboard in a HOD panel and a zonal officer panel, so that it is handled by admin. For an example, if you want to display some notice to the visitor side, he will just write a message and click on the submit button. Then it will received by, then it will be displayed by a that dashboard. I have added a message in citizens dashboard, so that we will see here its output. Look, in dashboard it is successfully inserted, and you can see here in latest updates. Clear? Then you can change a password and log out in the system. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like it, please give your suggestion or comments to me. Thank you.